Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dance Dance Revolution at home. First, find a clear area, about 6 feet by 6 feet, for your setup. You will need a gaming console like a PlayStation or a personal computer, along with a television or monitor. Crucially, invest in a good quality dance pad. It is the foundation of your home arcade experience. When selecting equipment, you have choices. Soft pads are typically less expensive, ranging from $20 to $50, and are perfect for casual play or beginners. For serious players, a hard pad, costing $100 to $300, provides much better responsiveness and can withstand vigorous use. Always prioritize a pad with a secure, non-slip base to prevent accidents. For software, you can find official Dance Dance Revolution titles on consoles like the PlayStation 2, 3, or 4, and even the Nintendo Wii. Alternatively, StepMania, a free open-source simulator for personal computers, offers immense customization. It allows you to download and play thousands of community-created songs, expanding your music library far beyond official releases. To get the most out of your home setup, proper calibration is key. Ensure your pad registers every step accurately. Always wear comfortable athletic shoes with good traction to prevent slipping and provide support. Start with easier songs and gradually increase difficulty. Consistent practice, even just 20 minutes a day, will significantly boost your skills and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.